Stocks in the deep, we have DLXY, RAYA, NBY, and MTEN. Let's listen to what's going on.
Stocks crashing. DLXY, RAYA, NBY, and MTEN. Today, we're looking at some stocks that absolutely collapsed in the market. We're talking about declines as big as 77% in a single session. Let's break down what's going on with DLXY, RAYA, NBY, and MTEN, and what traders need to know moving forward. First up, Delixy Holdings Limited, DLXY. This one got wrecked today with a possible rug pull, falling over 82.89%, dropping down to just $1.15 a share. Volume was heavy at around 5.78 million, suggesting panic selling. Now, DLXY is a microcap with limited visibility, and huge intraday swings like this often signal either dilution events, regulatory filings, or failed financing deals. Traders are warning that this could be a dead cat bounce setup, so extreme caution is needed here.
Okay, so intraday low 1.04. Yeah, the stock has not been around long enough. So we have upper projection of 6.38. Don't expect that to happen. Yeah, definitely it's a rock pool. It's a company incorporated in Singapore. Yeah, just be really careful with this one. Previous projections went as high as 6.46, 7.32, 7.84. Um, the price pressure momentum is severely bearish. However, the derivatives are all positive and fractional, maybe indicating that uh, they are trying to come back into the stock. Yeah, maybe. But we can't, yeah, it's just indicating that buyers are most certainly buying, but we can't rely on that. Um, yeah.
Next, RAYA, Erayak Power Solution Group. This stock collapsed by more than 55.01%, closing at $3.87. Volume was under 810K, but the sell off is sharp. RAYA has been a popular low float play, contracting from yesterday's expansion, so once momentum flipped, sellers rushed to the exits. Community chatter points to profit taking after a recent spike, and unless new catalysts emerge, traders fear more downside.
Okay, I think they may also have had, yeah, they did a reverse bit as well, it seems. Yeah, it's contracting for an expansion of yesterday, and it seems okay. The algos are saying, yeah, there might be further expansion. I mean, well, the contraction may remain in place. Yeah, up till let's see now, going all the way towards Friday the 7th of November. Yeah, that's a long time. Price pressure momentum is very strong, very, very robust. Nothing, even with this decline of 53.85%, nothing has changed. Projections are saying 0.0738. It's a downward projection. Let's see, yesterday printed an intraday high of $19. Yeah, it was pumped up yesterday. So yeah, we can see derivatives are so high. It went from the lows of 0.0645 to $19. That's immense. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, contraction is expected to remain in place as well, going all the way towards 9th of October. 9th of October will be Thursday. You can see price pressure momentum is here, very, very high. Okay, let's come back to the daily chart.
Now let's talk Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals, ticker NBYA. Shares dropped 45%, closing at just $1.29. This move is likely tied to dilution or disappointing clinical updates, which is common with small cap biotechs. With volume at 790K, this wasn't just a quiet sell off. It's clear a lot of traders bailed out. NBY has a history of reverse splits and volatility, so unless there's fresh news, the risk here remains sky high.
Okay, yeah, the loss is actually 17.24%. Intraday low in this session 1.01. Yeah, let's see. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep printing all the way towards Wednesday, the 8th of October. Then after that, we may get a bounce. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 4.81. What did we have? Okay, 2.69 printed on the 19th of September. Price pressure momentum severely bearish. Yeah, only positive second derivatives and the positive first derivative on the second and the 21 day moving average. So yeah, it seems buyers are buying the dip. Let's see whether there's any news. Okay, let's see. No fresh news. Not today. Yeah, no fresh news today for NBY.
And finally, MTEN International, ticker MTEN. Shares slid 29.35%, landing at $4.38 with volume around 250K. This one has been flagged in the past as a low float mover prone to manipulation, so sharp drops like this aren't entirely surprising. Momentum traders may try to catch bounces here, but the trend is still pointing down.
Okay, yeah. Intraday low here, 3.77. Yeah, okay. No extrapolations. Underlying trend is bullish. Yeah, things still bullish even with the decline it has been printing. Yeah, it's one of those stocks you need to be careful, just as the readouts indicated. Projections are saying 4.41, 5.7, 7.80, 12.17, 12.96, 13.45. Setting pressure has to be very high. Yes, everything is very bearish. Everything. Let's see the 4-hour chart. Okay, so well, a sideways movement is what is extrapolated, going all the way. It's just a distributive contraction going all the way towards Thursday, the 9th of October. Projections, we've seen some already. Yeah, we've had some already. So down here, okay, everything's also severely bearish. Yeah.
So, across the board, we're seeing massive pain in these small cap names. DLXY crushed, RAYA halved, NBY tanking, and MTEN sliding. The big takeaway? These stocks move fast both ways. And while some traders chase them for quick gains, the downside risk can be devastating. Always remember, low float equals high risk. Don't get caught holding the bag.